Welcome to Maggie's Marvellous Makes. Today we're going to be making my favourite lunch, tuna boats. So we've got our ingredients ready. I've cut up 2 whole pickles and so I cut them in half and then cut them into quarters, but not exactly 4 quarters. And then I got some black olives and ripped them in half, about 5 black olives. And so now we're going to get the tuna, get a spoon, get the fork and scrape it all in. I'm making 2 tuna boats and well, you can make as many as you like. So what we're going to do is break the tuna up. Now we're going to get our olives and put them in. Now we're going to stir them up. Now we're going to get the pickles, no red, get the pickles and pop them in. And stir. So now we've got our tuna mix. So next we're going to add a bit of yogurt. Not that much, probably about that much. And pop it in. And put that spoon back in. And yes, stir it, but in a minute then. In a minute, I'm going to add our mayonnaise. So you get the same amount as you did before, or a little bit more, like that much. And you pop that in.
Stir it.
And now you stir it.
Yeah.
You want to get every bit in that mix.
Yeah.
And remember, it's cooking, so you can make a mess. But yeah, always have to tidy it up. We're going to put the mustard in. You don't have to add mustard if you don't want to, but I am. Only use a teaspoon because you don't want too much. You don't want it to be too spicy, do you? Now we're going to squeeze the lemon on this. You can use any other thing as long as it squeezes the lemon and doesn't get the pips in. It may be hard. I think that's done. So we're going to take the lid off. And we've got not that much lemon juice, but some lemon juice. And we're going to tip the lemon juice in. And as you've guessed, we're going to stir it. Yes, we're going to add a bit of pepper.
Mommy.
That's enough, Ren. Yeah. That's enough, Ren. Only 2 grams of each. And then you're going to stir it up. Get our lettuce. And get 1 boat.
That's not a boat.
Well, we're going to use them as boats. We're going to get a spoonful, get our tuna boat ready, and pop it in. So, we've made our 3 ones. I'm hungry, so I'm definitely going to enjoy them. Thank you for watching, and now we can sail away to lunch. These are really yummy. Hope you enjoy them too.